Number 1. Mini Popsicle Maker. The Chef and Sweet Pops Mini Popsicle Maker makes it easy to create healthy popsicles at home. You can try juice, coffee, yogurt and more. Includes FDA-grade silicone mold, 6 BPA-free popsicle sticks, and mesh bag for organized storage in or outside of the freezer. These mini pops are the right portion size for kids' appetites and a guilt-free treat for adults. After filling, top each mold with a reusable stick handle and place in the freezer. Sits flat for mesh-free easy freezing. Ice pops are ready in approximately 4 hours. Remove from freezer and let thaw for a few minutes. When ready to eat, twist sticks and pull up. Number 2. Vegetable Mandolin Slicer. The Dash Safe Slice Mandolin offers a safer way to cut like a pro. The unique design prevents your hands from ever going near the built-in blades, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice with 30+ slicing options. The Dash Safe Slice Mandolin keeps hands and fingers away from blades for a safer way to slice. Slice and dice in minutes for easy food preparation. Spring-loaded handle pops up, so just push down to slice in seconds. 30+ different preset cuts with varying thickness. The Safe Slice Mandolin makes food preparation quick and easy. Number 3. Angry Mama. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner makes cleaning the microwave so much easier. No need to use harsh cleaning chemicals in your microwave. Simply fill Angry Mama with vinegar and water. Microwave Angry Mama on high for 5 to 7 minutes to create steam and soften built-up curd. Angry Mama's arm stays cool to the touch, making her easy to remove from the microwave after use. She is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 4. Vegetable Chopper. Invigorate your cooking expertise with this wonderful patented food cutting invention from Sweden. The Alligator stainless steel chopper is a must-have order in the home and professional kitchens. It is simple to use, effectively cuts and is exceedingly durable. While the secret is already out with top chefs in many fine kitchens around the world. We are proud to exclusively offer you this and many other modern kitchen cutting tools from Alligator. No more mashing foods with your old chopper. The sharp beveled Alligator blades cleanly cut through all types of food. Number 5. Mini Waffle Maker. Serve up your favorite mini waffles with the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Dual non-stick cooking surfaces heat evenly for consistent, delicious results. And the cute and compact size saves valuable counter space. Fun and kid-friendly, the Mini Waffle Maker can be used to waffle other ingredients including cookie dough, hash browns, and keto shuffles. A recipe guide is included so you can create the classics with confidence or branch out and try something new. No setup required, just plug it in and you are ready to cook. Number 6. Ultramax Filtering Dispenser. With Brita filters, it's easier than ever to enjoy better tasting water that's better for you. Brita standard filters cut the taste and odor of chlorine while reducing copper, calcium, and mercury impurities that can adversely affect your health over time. The standard filters are simple to use and have many features you will love. Skip soda and make a healthier choice. Drink 0-calorie Brita filtered water with every meal. Choose a faucet mount system, pitcher, dispenser or filtering bottle to enjoy great tasting water anytime. Number 7. Food storage containers. Rubbermaid Brilliance airtight food storage containers are built with secure latches on each piece, so you can transport your favorite foods mess-free, even soups and sauces. The crystal clear durable treated plastic container makes it easy to see what's inside. Plus, it's stain and odor resistant, so it stays looking like new. The food container has built-in vents that allow steam to escape, so you can conveniently microwave food without removing the lid. Brilliance containers stack neatly in the fridge and cabinets for efficient food storage, and it is dishwasher safe. This starter set includes containers for both the fridge and pantry. Number 8. Food container organizer. Food storage containers can stack or nest, but there's never been an easy way to store their lids until now. Our plastic lid organizer includes adjustable dividers to hold lids of all sizes, because contents are stored upright. You can see what you need and grab it first. A true time saver when you are packing lunch and leftovers. The hand lid design is a perfect fit for most kitchen cabinets. Number 9. Snow cone maker. The Cuisinart snow cone maker creates icy sweet delicious treats in seconds. Use it to make snow cones, frozen lemonades and even adult party drinks. It's fast and effortless to operate. Just add ice cubes and it quickly shapes enough ice for 4 to 5 cones in under a minute. Top off the ice with simple syrup, juice or adult drinks for cool, refreshing fun. It's compact enough to fit on the counter and lightweight enough to be moved around for parties. The ice bin is removable and is easy to empty and wipe clean. A pop-out tray holds 4 cones for convenient serving and storage. And the unit comes with 4 BPA-free reusable cones and 12 paper cones plus recipes. A fun surprise for the family and a big hit at parties. Number 10. Griddle Scraper. Easily remove burnt, caked on residue from your griddle with the Cuisinart Heavy Duty Griddle Scraper. The ergonomic design has an easy grip handle, allowing you to place more pressure on the stainless steel blade for a better clean. Splash guard to prevent residue from splashing upward during cleaning.